Highlands fam, what's up? Got something a little different today. As you can see, yes, this is a 2026 B case, but they're short cards. I figure, what the heck? Let's do something a little different. Now, one caveat to that. It showed up double taped. Yeah. Not fun, huh? So, not gonna hold out a lot of hope that there's a super in this thing, but what you gonna do? Hey, maybe we should just peel it rather than retape it. I mean, they even did a crap job at trying to hide the fact that it's double taped. Ugh. Whatever, y'all. It happens. That's the business we're in. But in case you're wondering whether us dealers get double taped cases, there's your answer. Not that this is the first time we've ever shown that, but hey. All right, now I'm kind of excited because this is my first time ever ordering short cards. I was like, you know, let's do something different. Let's do something different that maybe nobody else is doing. It's my balls. All right, y'all, short cards coming your way. Let's see what we got. If they are repeats from a previous case, we're not going to spend much time on them. I'll just go ahead and say that. Batmobile, we know. McMurtry Spearling, sorry. That is a new colorway on it. We've seen it in gray. I think that was the first edition. Came out, was that the end of last year or was that a case? Heck, I don't even remember at this point, you know. I get so lost on these things. And then of course, 20G Gladiator in lime green, which is cool, but we've seen it. All right. Ooh, Bugatti Bolide. New colorway. That looks good. That might be my favorite version of it so far. The all black was pretty, excuse me, y'all. The all black was pretty snazzy too, but I think I dig that one the most. Maserati Schmal, we have seen, looks good in blue. I think I like it better than the black. And then the Drift Box. It is a fantasy casting, obviously. I'm thinking maybe a little GTI inspiration there, maybe some Peugeot, Renault, I don't know. It's pretty cool though. I dig it. Dot's Hot Wheel Drift Shop. I can dig it, y'all. All right. Ooh, that looks good. 92 Dodge Viper RT10, classic white and blue. Yeah, good rims too. Oh, you know what I'm just noticing, y'all? That's a treasure hunt. Yep, there we go. We found the treasure hunt. Now, it's not the super, but that's encouraging with a double taped case, right? All right, y'all. I dig that. That's cool. I mean, I thought it looked special, and I guess I was right. We got a bunch of repeats there. Do have the What's Up. New, I don't know if that's new, but yeah, okay. Nothing else to say there. Oh, I put these off to the side. A couple of repeats, but they're cool. The Bounce and Base and Dodge Charger Daytona. Next up, we have X Steam. Some kind of, you've got a fantasy racer there. Part of the X Racer series. That's a good looking Hemi. Night Speed set. This new Night Speed set's pretty cool. I mean, is that like replacing Night Burners? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, y'all. Is Night Speed replacing Night Burners? I'm probably the guy that should know, you know, since I'm showing you these things, but we all know we don't know it all. All right. Barbie Dream Camper from Mattel. It's cool. Yeah. Can't go wrong with the Barbie Dream Camper. Trying to hurry up here a little bit. Honda Civic Type R CJs we have seen. Very cool. Mazda MX-5 Miata. This looks like the Legends Tour car a lot. I know it's not, but that's what it reminds me of. Obviously highly modified, but cool Miata. I can dig it. New version of the Braille Racer. Obviously for the vision impaired, but also gets a cool deco on it on top of everything. Of course, the car itself has Braille on it as well. I think it says Hot Wheels, if I remember correctly. All right, Track Ripper, repeat. Pass and Go, repeat. And I was watching Lamley's unboxing. He did a Diecast International, I think. And he was a big fan of this one. I actually came across one of these in the store, and I was like, man, that is pretty snazzy. I'm a Porsche guy. I love Porsches. Hope to own one day. I can dig the Taycan. You know, yeah, it's electric, but it's still a Porsche. It's still a Porsche. Oh, y'all, check it out. Hightail Chaser, that is new. Definitely some baby Super B. What am I talking about? Super B. Good grief, y'all. I am brain farting hard. Freaking Super Bird. Good grief. And the Charger Daytona. Golly, man. It was in there somewhere. I knew I'd get to it at some point. We do have a re-release of Optimus Prime. I think different wheels this time, if I remember correctly. And they look good. That's a great wheel for Optimus. Alrighty. And new for 2026, Pagani Zonda Cinque tuned Paganis. Well, one of the only brands that I can think of anyways that are well known. I've never seen one in person. Like never at a car show, never at a Caffeine and Octane, none of that. Maybe one day. We have a new colorway on the Ferrari SF90 Stradale in blue, looking good. We've had it in gray and red previously. Another Murphy Sperling and a GT500. That's a repeat as well. Running out of room, y'all. Okay. We have RD06 is a repeat. 47 Chevy Fleet Line, looking good in this classic seafoam green. Y'all, I love the treasure hunt, the regular treasure hunt of this one, the police car version that they did. And I can't say that I like this any less. I don't know, something about that era of, I was going to say General Motors, but y'all know what I mean. American motoring works. And here we have the champion. I mean, technically it's not number 4, so technically it's not Lando, but McLaren Formula One team release for 2026. That's definitely a highlight, y'all. Definitely a highlight. We'll put that one over there with the treasure. It's not going to stand very well, but we're going to put it there. Mustang Mach-E 1400 repeat. 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster repeat. Gordon Murray Automotive T33 repeat. We have the Carbonator for everybody to celebrate their new year. Surprisingly, these move really well. People really like those. It has been a surprise to me as a hobby dealer. That's another repeat. Get out of the way. And of course, we all know this truck, don't we? Oh, we all love the 83, and the Black Widow is just a great version of it. That's a pretty truck. Pretty truck. Definitely a highlight. All right, let's see if I can pull this without knocking other things over. Can. All right, so Black Widow is going to sit right there. All right, y'all. Here, I'm going to see if I can just pull this whole row. Yeah, there we go. It's a little bit easier on me. Ooh, a little harder to hold than long card, y'all. All right, 24/7, of course. Hot Wheels version of the RX-7 before they had the licensing for it. And one of their OG workarounds. Very cool version of the Ragin' Express. Got your feeling lucky there on the side. Pretty good. I dig the Ragin' Express. I dig it. We have the 59 Chevy Impala in red. That is a repeat as well, but worth taking a look at. Here we have the main line to the Super from A-Case. You know what's funny? Every single A-Case we got had the Super of the Drift Ender. And we didn't get any of the mainline. So hey, we finally got a mainline. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's cool. Everybody thinks it's fantasy. It is not. Look on the back. It has Land Rover licensing. Another Ferrari in the case. And then we have the Hollerback. That's funny. Jen and I were doing shipping yesterday from our Whatnot show. And for some reason, I got stuck saying Hollerback. I don't even know why. But yeah, obviously that's what I was thinking of. Let's see. We got a Lamborghini. New version of the Cupra E-Racer. And a re-release of the Monster High Ghoul Mobile. A couple repeats and roller toaster, new colorway on it. Of course, we see it every now and then. There's been a treasure hunt of it. Really cool. You can put it down, and as you roll it, the toast will pop up. Okay, maybe I'm a little more excited about that than I should be. But I think it's cool. I like Hot Wheels fantasy cars. I appreciate the ingenuity. Another Civic, CJ's. We have the 5 Alarm in purple. Hot Wheels heavyweights. Not bad. We got another Bouncing Base and another Bouncing Cinque, so all repeats there. All right, that's cool. I am a Knight Rider fan, so we haven't seen this in a while, the Hot Wheel kit concept. Here's another release of it. You can see through to the interior there. Yeah, I think that was going to be was that for a new show they were going to do or something? I don't even remember. Been too long. All right, a couple more repeats. Purple Passion showing up in pink this time around. Looking good. And we have more repeats. Repeat from previous case, but it's a first edition Porsche, so it is always worth taking a peek at it. Porsche 911 Carrera T. And I'm just going to leave those sitting there because I'm out of room, everybody. Repeat. Dior 2 is a repeat as well. And here is the main line to the Super. Did we not get the Super because it was double taped? They left us the treasure hunt to throw us off. I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is, Chad. All right, everybody. Pretty cool. So I'm going to say highlights. Obviously, the GTD Mustang. Not Super. Mainline. Cool. Black Widow. 83 Chevy Silverado is without a doubt a highlight. Recent Formula One champion Lando Norris drives for the McLaren F1 team. I don't know who won the Manufacturers Championship. I haven't heard that. Have they even announced it? I don't know. I'm not a big F1 guy. I'm not even going to pretend to be. And the 92 Dodge Viper RT10. And it is the treasure hunt. So very cool. All right, y'all. Let me know in the comments below. What do y'all think of this case? Obviously, it would have been a lot better if we had pulled the Super. But, you know, how can I forget the Ferraris, too? All right, let me know. I'm going to grade it. I'm going to grade it a solid B. All right, chat. We'll catch you on the next one. I've got new 2 trucks that came, and Japan Historics 2, and other stuff. We'll see you on the next one.